For new traders stepping into the world of binary options, developing a clear and structured pocket option trading strategy is essential for building confidence, avoiding costly mistakes, and creating a path toward consistent results. Pocket Option offers a user-friendly interface, multiple charting tools, and various expiration times, making it a great choice for beginners. But the key to success lies in following a disciplined approach rather than chasing random trades. A good starting point is to focus on a single asset, such as a major currency pair like EUR/USD, to reduce complexity and allow you to understand how price reacts to market conditions. Begin by selecting a higher time frame, such as the 5-minute chart, for identifying the overall market direction, and a lower time frame, like the 1-minute chart, for precise entries. Use simple yet reliable technical indicators, such as the moving average, to identify trend direction, and the Relative Strength Index, RSI, to confirm overbought or oversold conditions. For example, if the price is above the 50-period moving average and the RSI is rising from oversold territory, you may look for a call, buy opportunity in line with the trend. If the price is below the moving average and RSI is falling from overbought, you might consider a put, sell trade. Keep risk management as your top priority by limiting each trade to a small percentage of your account balance, ideally between 1 to 3%, to protect your capital during losing streaks. Avoid trading during major news events, as volatility can lead to unpredictable price spikes that disrupt technical setups, especially for beginners still learning to read charts. Instead, trade during stable market hours when movements are smoother and easier to analyze. Make use of Pocket Option's demo account to practice this strategy before risking real funds, as it allows you to test different settings, time frames, and risk levels without financial pressure. Also, take advantage of features like the copy trading tool to observe how experienced traders execute their strategies, but do not rely solely on copying. Use it as a learning resource to refine your own decision-making. A strong pocket option trading strategy for beginners also involves keeping a trading journal where you record the asset traded, time of entry, reason for entry, outcome, and lessons learned. This habit builds self-awareness and helps identify patterns in your performance over time. Remember, consistency and patience are more valuable than aiming for quick profits. The goal is to gradually increase accuracy and confidence with each trade while preserving your capital for long-term growth. By starting simple, sticking to 1 or 2 proven indicators, trading in favorable conditions, managing risk strictly, and continuously learning from both wins and losses, new traders can develop a pocket option trading strategy that provides a solid foundation for steady progress in binary options trading.